Hi everyone, welcome to my first voiceover video in my YouTube channel, Time Learn Hub. So here I basically going to discuss all the SQL interview related questions which have been asked during the time of my technical interview rounds in the interview procedure. So let's start from the beginning. What is the first question today? So if you ever wondered like if you write a SQL query and why you are getting the duplicate values or the results, the video is for you. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly when to use the select and when to use the distinct and only one mistake that many developers make in interviews. So, in the series, I'll explain the practical SQL concepts using the real example. If you are preparing the SQL interview or improving your database skills, this series is for you. So, in here, I basically created one table that is employee. So, in this employee table, I inserted all the employee related data like employee name, salary, department, and the employee ID, which are basically very common in the employee table, and these are must present in the all the employee tables. Okay, so in here, as you see, I basically created some duplicate values intentionally. So here the duplicate values, whenever I try to fetch the particular employee name from this particular employee table, so I am getting it like that duplicate values are also there. Like suppose if I want to execute one query, that is the second one, like select employee name from employees. So in here, what we have get like the employee name from the employee table. So let's execute the query first and let's see the result. So yeah, this is the one. So as you see, the duplicate results are also there. Now, if I want to particularly distinguish the employee names, like for the distinguished name from that, employees, like I don't want the duplicate values. So what we do, what we need to execute the third query that is select distinct employee name from employee. So when it will basically do select the employee name and that is from that employee table obviously, and then it will distinguish that value like which are not duplicate, only the one-time values it will copy. So let's run that query, and yeah, this is the result we are getting right now. So in here, what it will do, it will distinct the particular values what we basically want from the particular employee table without getting any kind of duplicate values. So in the real world example, if you see like imagine an e-commerce database where a customer places multiple orders. If you want a list of unique customers, then distinct is because become the more useful keyword for you. So in the interview, if you may ask like this kind of questions like why distinct is not a fix for the bad joint, or why interviewer asked this kind of question, they will particularly check your uh, knowledge on basis of that select and that distinct keyword. Like if you are performing any kind of bad join and in the particular table, if you get any kind of duplicate values, then that is absolutely okay. You can distinguish that particular value and see only the right values in front of you. But if you like they particularly mention like don't use a distinct, then what you do? Then you will particularly say like I am going to fix the join first. I'll remove the duplicate values from my table. If it is not needed, I'll remove that one. If it is null value is there, I can delete that one. If the employee or that particular employee is not present in that organization, I can delete that particular employee from our database. So you can say it like that way. So if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. So in the next session, we'll cover like where and having. We are using these two keywords in our SQL topics. So another topic, which is basically, frequently appear in the interview questions during the time of SQL interview. So, yeah, till then, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.